Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video. What's today about? Well, you saw it start on the end of the day. So what are we talking about? Rebalancing. Yep, a lot of funds rebalance at the end of the month and the end of the quarter and the end of the year. And as you see in here, the bond market on the left has gotten walloped since December 1st. On the right, the S&P is unchanged. So what that means is if a fund is long 50% bonds and 50% stocks, well, right now they're overweight stocks. So keep that in mind. The other thing in here, that includes the NASDAQ, way overcooked. In fact, that's over where it was December 1st. So I would expect that the NASDAQ is the one that's going to bear the brunt the most. So I'm going to look for shorts in the NASDAQ. So there are a couple of things you need to know. Number one, the Russell is underperformed, has followed the bond market. So if I'm going to do anything, it's going to be buying Russell stocks and selling the S&P. Number two in here, the S&P has a habit of going down on December 28th. So I'm going to go and show you this so you know what we're talking about. So we're going to take the SPX and we're going to use the rewind function, and we could take on the right an hourly chart if you want, or we can take a 4-hour chart, and I'm going to go back some other years. So first we're going to December 31st is the rewind of 2018. Well, the market had already gotten walloped, so that one doesn't count. So let's go to 2019. We're going to go to the end of the year. And what do you notice? Yes, bless its heart, December 27th. The market started going down. Why? The same thing, that bond stock market relationship. And you can go a number of years and see the same thing happen. Here's just 2021. Yeah, market started going down, bless its heart, right in here. Right in here on the upper right. So we're looking to short rallies in the SPXs, which is what we did near the close. And on the other hand, sure, we could look to buy some Russell stocks. So definitely looking at shorting this. And I'll show you a perfect example of how this worked on the close. It's actually pretty amazing. So on the left is Apple in the last 5 minutes. So you see Apple went straight down. On the other hand, one of the laggers like Exxon. Now, we're talking about the S&P sold off on the close. Apple went straight down. Exxon went straight up. That's amazing. So just keep that in mind in there, that kind of rotation. Now, I know the last bar, but I'm talking about, let's say, in the last 15 minutes. You could just see the rally in Exxon on the right, and Apple started falling, going down. What we're watching for short ideas tomorrow is 15-minute defined trend lines. I'm looking for those type of defined trend lines to look for short ideas. I have to see a defined trend line and then a break. You haven't seen an Apple in a while. I'm looking at that for Netflix. I'm looking at that in Amazon. And you're finally seeing it in Amazon of any of them. If I'm even thinking of shorts, I first have to see some kind of defined trend line starting to develop. And that's how we're going to try to trade tomorrow. Hope you like this video. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.